When we think of the Internet of Things, we typically conjure objects in a fixed location, such as surveillance cameras, environment sensors, or individual stationary devices. But some of the most important pieces of the Internet of Things are likely to be the objects that move either on their own accord, such as cars, robots, drones, autonomous vehicles, or move with us, mobile devices, and wearables. This gives rise to the concept of the Internet of Moving Things. Current platforms that typically assume stationary IoT deployments need to be enabled with capabilities to handle management concerns for the Internet of Moving Things. For example, delivering real-time control, especially for mission and business-critical IoT services, and uninterrupted service continuity with smooth handovers whilst things move between edge locations. Additionally, enhancing the discovery, machine-to-machine negotiation, and service provisioning capability between moving things and edge or cloud, which can not only ensure energy-efficient deployments while giving rise to new monetization opportunities. Ultimately, we would like to achieve sustainable Internet of Moving Things, where autonomous decisions and optimizations are triggered to predict and manage the dynamics of moving things towards saving energy and lowering carbon footprint. Our visions of the Catalyst will grow through many phases. For phase 1 to be showcased in June 2024, we aspire to build a proof of concept consisting of 2 use cases, whilst pulling, for the first time, a consortium together, engaging some of our primary BD partners, but also partners from the wider TMForum community. The use cases will aim at enabling autonomous management of IoT services as moving things traverse between edge nodes. These dynamics necessitate advanced capabilities so that, first, moving things discover new IoT services exposed through its edge node, machine-to-machine negotiate the best network service matching device and IoT service requirements, and orchestrate their provisioning. For instance, a drone whilst in flight switches on its camera and therefore requires an uplift in its network connectivity, e.g. dedicated 5G slice, to accommodate high-quality streaming of its video to the edge node. Additionally, it may require certain video analytics, for instance, video anonymization, to be discovered and deployed as a container at the edge node. We should be able to orchestrate a new network and service provisioning that could lead to new chargeable events and therefore generate dynamically new monetizable opportunities for service providers. Use case number 2 would look at the moving devices like drones, changing locations and therefore requiring handover of coverage and control to a new edge node. We need to onboard the device into the new edge node, grab the edge connectivity, the infrastructure, and deploy the appropriate setting to guarantee service continuity. For instance, if a certain video analytics service was already engaging with a drone, a container has to be deployed to the new edge node with the same configuration required by the drone to enable a smooth and uninterrupted handover of the service.